Hey Rich, to help you figure out the Prezi links, what's happened is Prezi just occasionally you have to update the links. They send out new links, and so I'll just quickly walk you through that. I'm just using an old Blackboard shell, but let's say if I want to update this, shoot, that was actually the wrong way of doing it. Click on the little tab, go Edit, and then the URL is what we're going to be replacing here. And so if I delete this, and I go into my Prezi account. Now you should have the sanitation Prezis in your account. They've been shared with you. So Richard Williams, they should all be there for you to go to. And so in this case, we're just looking at the intro, which is here. So if you go to your Prezi in your Prezi accounts, one of the things that new Prezi accounts, so Prezi's actually changed, so you might open up, it might be Prezi Next. Just make sure you go to the top, click on this drop down, and click on the blue Prezi, which is the classic. Then when you go into sanitation, to get the new URL, which is essentially the website, click on the three little dots and it'll go into, you'll open this up. You want to click on privacy and sharing. You want to click on share. This is your new URL. So highlight that, copy it, go back into Blackboard, paste it. This will give you the new URL. And then all you have to do is hit submit, which I can't do because my video is here. If I could, hit submit there, and then that would post that new URL/web link to what you're looking for. So hopefully that should help you out figure out how to post the new Prezis. So kids are going crazy, but if you need more help, let me know.